Let it rain, blow grapes to the face, till the body gets numb. Take the pain away, Mondre, who the hoes waiting for, sophisticated flow. At the dope, tell a bitch move like mystical, a ludicrous. You niggas acting new to this. Got your heart broken when you lose a bitch. Niggas suck it up just like I tell a bitch. Barbershop pose, ready to cut, never sell a bitch. Trapping to the block since a youngin' cash out. Was attracted to the guap, born to die from the town where your pop's not around. Trying to make your mama proud, never frown, always smile. But I'm trying to get paid off my lifestyle. I'm talking right now, make moves, survive in the game, longevity. The world moving fast, so I'm sipping bold heavy. Head tough, nigga, and now I'm listening to the sounds of victory. Ain't seen the family days, I'm knowing that they missing me. Chicks trying to get with me, wishing they was kissing me. Got a future full of shit to see, they all want some dick from me. But bitch, you gotta pay a fee. Then I put on the show, beat you from the back, smack it down your throat. Now it's time to do it, moving, never sharing feelings with you. All I'm caring about is figures, rather let my niggas hit straight up. And that's how the game goes. You win some, you lose some, going harder than your first one. Sex the flow, I progress the flow. The beat slap with my vocals, I caress the nose. Next to blow, made the tracks in G.O. Blow smoke in your face like fuck you, take it to Rome.